Hello, do you know that Chinese New Year is a national holiday in Indonesia? Yes, Indonesia is one of the most multicultural countries in the world. And today I will teach you 8 Indonesian words that you will hear a lot during Chinese New Year. So, if you are learning Indonesian and want to know the real celebration Indonesian, this video is for you. Let's start.
Imlek. Imlek is Chinese New Year in Indonesian. The full term is Tahun Baru Imlek. Please repeat after me. Imlek. Imlek. Sio. Sio is Chinese animal zodiac. For example, Sio kuda, Sio macan, Sio naga, or Sio kelinci. Please repeat after me. Sio. Sio. Angpao. Angpao means red envelope. And the best part is, inside the envelope there is money. The envelope usually given by a married couple or married adult to the children. Repeat after me. Angpao. Angpao. Kue keranjang. Kue keranjang is a sweet sticky rice cake and it's my favorite. It's a traditional food eaten during Chinese New Year. Please repeat after me. Kue keranjang. Kue keranjang. Kue keranjang. Lampion. Lampion means lantern. During Chinese New Year, you will see so many lampion everywhere. Repeat after me. Lampion. Lampion. Good. Kembang api. Kembang api means fireworks. People use kembang api to welcome the new year. Please repeat after me. Kembang api. Kembang api. Petasan. In ancient Chinese legend, there was a monster and the monster was afraid of loud noises. So that people use petasan to scare it away. Please repeat after me. Petasan. Petasan. Barongsai. Barongsai is lion dance. It's a traditional performance that believed can bring happiness and good luck. Please repeat after me. Barongsai. 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 And now, I have a question for you. Do you celebrate Chinese New Year in your country? Tell me in the comment below ya.
Sampai jumpa!